Hi, I'm Miranda Barker. I'm the Chief Executive of East Lancashire Chamber of Commerce.
Hi, I'm Isap and I'm Chief Executive of Info Group.
And we're going to be talking today around the needs that Lancashire has in terms of incorporating innovation into all of our businesses and helping us really upskill our workforce to cope with that, and how what you're doing can help. Let me just start with a little bit of background around Lancashire for those that don't know. Hugely manufacturing orientated economy, really good at innovation in certain areas, but then a long tail of less productive SMEs that aren't able to capitalise on that level of innovation. And when we talk to our businesses, our members and the other businesses around East Lancashire and Lancashire as a whole, they complain about two things. They complain about transport connectivity and they complain about skills. And the problem with that workforce is it seems to be really split into 3 or 4 areas, and I just want to run through those, and then we could have a look at how what you're doing is perfectly positioned to best manage and help businesses through that into a more productive future. Is that okay?
Absolutely.
So we have a manufacturing sector and in Lancashire that's really geared around previous technologies and isn't necessarily ready for the digital and innovation world to come. We're worried, I think, when we look at our skill levels, that our middle workforce really isn't able to cope with that massively quick progression to digital innovation. And we're also worried that we're not really ready for succession planning in our businesses. We've got a lot of companies where the owners are the ones who started it up, who did all of that innovation, and they're getting to the point where they're ready to retire and their middle workforce isn't ready to take over from them. So that's sort of the second thing. And thirdly, we have a lot of trouble lining up our university education with what our businesses need. Those embedding programs don't necessarily flow through to creating potential new innovative people coming from the universities into our businesses in a seamless way. And lastly, I would say the fourth problem we see with skills is that the whole funding structure around the apprenticeship levy and where that's progressing to is really poorly understood by business, how they can capitalise on it, and the recent changes that have taken place that could make it better.